Okay, so this is measuring mechanical waves using the fan and the pan full of water about 2/3 up, and this boulder and this. We've already measured the height of the water in the pan, and it's just a little under 2.5 centimeters. It's actually 2.3 centimeters, best we can. So I'm going to turn on the fan on the low setting. And of course it just blew the paper away, okay? And we're going to take a look at, what happens to the waves. We're going to give it a minute. That's the time frame. We're going to give it a minute, and then we're going to measure the height of the waves. You can see the water is being disturbed. So we have some waves going on. Looks like we've got a little particle in there that's moving back and forth, but you can see the waves. Yeah. So this is on low. Okay, so we've got about 30 seconds done, and another 30 seconds to go. So we're just going to do the low and then the high. We're not going to do the medium. And so that's about 1 minute. So let's put our measuring tool in, and it is right at 2.4, just slightly under. This is just slightly under 2.5, so 2.4. So we measured the height of the water at 2.3, and this is 2.4 with medium. And then let's give it a little bit more. So we were at just 2.4 on that. Okay, so looked like we transferred some energy from the wind to the water, and you can see that. See the water being disturbed. Okay, so let's change this over to high and see what does that create. And some of you can see the water really kind of going strong now. You can see the waves, can't you? Yeah. Sure you can. Okay, so we're gonna. Is it gonna be higher? Is that what you think? Okay, so we're gonna give it a minute. So we were at 2.3 with the water still, no waves, and then it was 2.4 with the fan on. And at a low speed, 2.4, and then let's see what at 1 minute. But you can really see the difference, can't you? Yeah, now it's at 2.6. 2.6, yep. So 2.6, so it's gone from 2.3 to 2.4 with the fan on low, and then 2.6 with the fan on high. And you can see the disturbance in the water and all that. So let's put in the boulder and see what that does. Okay. So, well, we got to turn it off first because we got to measure what the water is without the wave. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So you got those measurements. We're just gonna do the low and the high. So Just the water without any waves was 2.3. At the low fan speed, it was 2.4. Little increase, so the waves increased 1 millimeter, and then it went up to 2.6, so it increased from 2.3 to 2.6, or 3 millimeters on the scale. Okay, looks like now this is all right here. So this is at, it stills right at 2.5, okay? It's at 2.5 with the boulder in, so it went from 2.3 to 2.5 with no wind, just the water. So let's go over here to low. Okay, so we're going to low. Going to low here. And you can see the waves being created. See the waves being created. And the water was at 2.5 when we measured it without any waves. And this is at low, the low volume, or the low speed, excuse me. Low speed. There's the fan. And this is at low speeds. So we're at 40 seconds now, so we can see if we can, so this was at 2.5, and now it is at 2.6. Yeah, just a little bit over 2.6. Okay, after a minute. And then now let's increase it to build it up. You can really see the waves increasing, can't you? Okay, we'll give it a minute. So we're just going to do this on 1 minute for both low and high speeds, and with boulder and without the boulder. Okay, so adjust your chart accordingly. I think you get the idea. I think you can draw the conclusions and answer the questions. Okay, so we got about 30 seconds. A little bit more. So, okay, that was at 2 point, so it was at, yeah, so this is at 2.7, yeah, 2.7, 2.8, yeah, 2.8, okay, so 2.8 with the rock in there, with the boulder, 2.8, you can see that there, okay, all right. Looks good. Okay, so that do it. So now we'll turn back and you can answer the questions for it. So hope this was interesting. It's on mechanical waves and the energy transfer from wind, or a fan in this case, creating wind, onto the wave, and the wave itself creates energy. And you can see the bubbles moving around. There's a little object in the water there that's just kind of going round and round, and you can see the energy that it creates. Okay, so that's a mechanical wave. Thank you very much.